Ryobi puts out tons of new products every year, covering everything from tools to lawn care and even lifestyle products. It's tough to track everything, but we love to keep you up to date with the latest tools as they are announced, and this is your summer update. The first tool I want to talk about is the one that makes us go arf, arf, arf around here, the Ryobi 40 volt HP brushless 20-inch chainsaw. Now, they've got several pieces of outdoor power equipment coming to the 40 volt lineup this year, and that includes 2 new chainsaws that are entering the roster, a 16-inch model and the more impressive 20-inch model. The latter of the two is Ryobi's second iteration cordless 20-inch chainsaw with equivalent power to a 52cc gas engine. It makes several improvements over the previous 20-inch model, including giving it more power and even lightening the weight a bit. The brushless motor on this tool spins the chain at up to 24.5 meters per second for quick cutting in lumber up to 36 inches in diameter. Now, using a single 40 volt 8 amp hour battery, Ryobi estimates that you can get up to 100 cuts per charge. Weight on this tool is just 13.1 pounds bare, and it comes with a 3/8 inch pitch chain. You can buy this as a bare tool for just $349. Now, going almost to the other extreme, Ryobi has put out the 18 volt Swift Clean cordless carpet washer. This is a tool for the house that's going to help you restore your carpets to their former glory, all without needing to plug it into the wall. If you're a homeowner or a renter and you're using Ryobi's 18 volt platform, the PBLUV 750 carpet cleaner is going to be as close to a no-brainer solution to keep your carpets clean as we can think of. It's especially the case when you have kids or pets who notoriously disregard the cleanliness of your floors. The controls on this cleaner couldn't be simpler. You push it forward to dispense the cleaner, and you pull it back to extract it using the vacuum system. Multiple cleaning modes make it really easy to use, and you can use it in a variety of different applications, including spot mode and dry only mode. The runtime on this tool is up to 76 minutes using a pair of 8 amp hour batteries. You can pick this up for $299 as a bare tool, or you can get it as a kit for $399, and that includes 2 4 amp hour batteries and a charger. If you like to tool around in your garage or work on your car, Ryobi has an 18 volt dual function automotive creeper seat, the PCL 692, and it adjusts between an automotive creeper and a seat, letting you work at any angle in your shop or garage. Whether you're under your vehicle for an oil change or you're right next to it refitting a tire, you're going to easily be able to transition from one to the other using the PCL 692. Now, why is it an 18 volt tool? Well, you get 2 flexible onboard LED work lights. Adding a work light to a creeper isn't new, but Ryobi put a new spin on it by adding lights and making it with that adjustable seat. You also get onboard tool and accessory storage to give you even more convenience. Pick this one up for $159 as a bare tool. Now, as summer hits, you're thinking about your lawn, and so is Ryobi with their 40 volt HP brushless 21-inch self-propelled lawnmower. Ryobi introduced the first gen Crosscut lawnmower back in early 2021, and it was a pretty big hit. It was a huge improvement over previous mowers and really pushed them into that pro-level performance category. There were, however, a few things on there that we thought could be improved. Well, now, the latest generation of Ryobi's 40 volt HP brushless self-propelled lawnmower makes some of those improvements and raises the performance even higher, entering into that commercial grade cordless mower performance category. With dual stack crosscut blades, the RY40HP LMO2 achieves better cut quality while delivering effective clipping discharge. This thing will throw grass out the side chute, it'll bag better, and it mows in more difficult situations with ease. Ryobi claims that this mower rivals 170cc gas mowers. With a 21-inch deck and 9.7 foot-pounds of torque, we don't really disagree. You can pick it up for $649 as a kit, and that comes with a pair of 6 amp hour 40 volt batteries and a charger. This next product made its way into my garage fairly quickly, and that's the Ryobi Stowaway wall-mounted workbench. If you've got a garage or a workshop that's on the smaller side, you've probably gone through a lot of different ways to try to maximize your space. Well, this workbench features a 44 by 22 inch solid wood work surface, but it's got a lot of convenience details, like being able to operate it one-handed to lock it, and soft close functionality. It took less than 30 minutes to install, requiring only basic tools, and what I love is that when you fold it down, you still get a little bit of counter space to help you with storage, while still being able to park your car. This is the STM408, and it has a capacity of 300 pounds, and you can pick it up for just $99 at the Home Depot. If you've already got a bunch of Ryobi 18 volt and maybe even 40 volt tools, having a convenient dual platform charger might be something you find really helpful. Personally, I've got several tools on both platforms, so it's great to see Ryobi offering a way to charge both systems using a single charger. Ryobi claims it's their fastest 18-volt 1 Plus charger to date, giving you 6 times faster charge rates than the PCG002 charger. It can also charge 40-volt batteries up to 4 times faster than the entry-level OP403A charger. Ryobi also equipped this charger with active cooling, so it's going to reduce your charge time and get that battery ready for charging in much less time than if it had to wait to cool down manually. You can either mount it on your wall or use it on a flat surface because it comes with rubber feet and keyhole mounting options. This charger costs just $99. The last 2 products on the list are blowers. The first one is a handheld blower with 800 CFM of blowing force. This 40-volt blower has some pretty impressive stats. It's got the same power as a 31cc gas blower. It's also part of Ryobi's Whisper series, meaning it's up to 82% quieter than comparable gas units. Ryobi estimates up to 85 minutes of trigger time on low using a 40-volt 8-amp-hour battery. This tool is so new, I can't even give you a price right now. Following on its heels is the 40-volt HP Brushless 850 CFM Backpack Blower. If you want to get that weight off of your arm and onto your back and blow out larger areas, perhaps you live on a property with a lot more land, the RY40HPL BO2 is going to come to your aid. This is by far Ryobi's strongest blower, and it delivers more power than a 58cc gas unit. It's also part of Ryobi's Whisper series, making it up to 83% quieter than comparable gas blowers. What's more, it's 40% lighter than the brand's previous backpack blower, the RY404170. Ryobi's expecting that on a pair of 8-amp-hour batteries, you'll get around 2 hours of runtime on low. This one is also coming soon to the Home Depot. Well, that's Ryobi's latest tools. Did any of these tickle your fancy? Are you going to pick them up anytime soon? Let us know in the comments below. And also, hit that subscribe button if you want more great product news and reviews. And as always, thanks for watching.